Hey guys, so in this episode I'm just going to be talking about how to change lenses on the Sony FX30s, and I'll also be talking about the Sigma 18 to 50mm lens, which is the lens that the FX30 kits come with in the department. So the Sigma 18 to 50mm, it's quite versatile. As you can see, it's a zoom lens, so it goes from 18 to 50, obviously, but you can do little kind of zoom movements with it if you want those kinds of shots. It's quite good for medium, mid shots, quite good for wide shots as well. But 50mm, it's not the most kind of, it's not the tightest you can get. So you might want to switch to another lens if you want to get kind of closer in than 50mm. It's also f2.8, so it's relatively fast, but if you're shooting in low light conditions, any kind of difficult conditions like that, you might just want to switch to a faster lens, and I'll show you how to do that now. And so to take off the kit lens of the FX30, you just want to press and hold this lens release button here. I don't know if you can see that. It's just on the bottom left of the camera. You just want to press in and hold that, and then just turn the lens anti-clockwise like this, and it'll just pop out like that. So I'll just set this to one side for now. Now, as you can see, the camera sensor here is exposed. So if you're in particularly sort of highlight, sunny or bright conditions, you just want to cover that with your hand or a bit of paper, just to make sure that the sensor's not getting damaged. If you know you're not going to be changing lenses for quite some time, it's a good idea just to put the sensor cap on the camera, and it just twists in clockwise like this. And that's good to go. Now, for the kit lens itself, you'll see that there's a lens cap on the front element here, but we also need a lens cap for the back element here. And so you just want to pop that on, just twist it on clockwise, and then just pop it back in the kit bag or somewhere where it won't get lost, like this. So just before we attach the new lens, we just want to make sure that obviously this cap is off of the sensor, and just pop it back in the bag. Now we've got our new lens here, and we just want to make sure that the lens cap for the back element is off. So just twist it off like this, and just pop it back in the lens kit or somewhere where it won't get lost. Now, if you can see on the lens here, you've got these white dots near the bottom, and if you can see on the camera here, just hold it up, we've got the same white dots just on the mount here. Now what we want to do when we're attaching a lens, we just want to line those dots up. So I'll just find them. Just want to line those dots up, and it should slot in like that. And we just want to twist it clockwise until we hear a click. Now when you feel like you've heard the click, you just want to do what's known as a wobble test. So you just want to sort of shake it a little bit just to make sure that it's flush. Flush meaning that it's kind of secure on the camera. Once you're happy with that, just take off the front lens cap, and you're ready to start shooting with your new lens.